Olomouc Region is an administrative unit of the Czech Republic, located in the northwestern and central part of its historical region of Moravia and in a small part of the historical region of Czech Silesia. It is named for its capital Olomouc. It consists of 5 districts: Jeseník District, Olomouc District, Prostějov District, Přerov District and Šumperk District. On the territory of the region there are 13 administrative districts of municipalities with extended powers and 20 administrative districts of municipalities with authorized local authority. Olomouc Region borders with the Moravian Silesian Region, Zirland Region, South Moravian Region and Pardubice Region. Furthermore, the region shares a 104 kilometers long border with Poland. Population. In September 2013, the population of the Olomouc region totaled 636,585 inhabitants. As of 2012, 56.6% of region's population lived in towns or cities. Out of 399 municipalities located in the region, 30 had a status of town. Region's capital Olomouc is, with approximately 100,000 inhabitants, the largest city, with 121.3 inhabitants per square kilometer. The region was close to the national average of 133.2 persons per square kilometer. There were, of course, differences within the region. The lowest population density was in the Jeseník District. In the long term, the population of the region has been aging. The share of children aged 0 to 14 has been decreasing, while the proportion of those aged 65 plus has been increasing. Cities. The table below provides the list of region's most populous cities and towns as of the 31st of December 2012. Geography. The total area of the region amounted to 5,266 square kilometers, which is 6.7% of the entire area of the Czech Republic. The northern part of the region is of a mountainous nature. The Jeseníky Mountains are located here, including Přerov, which is the highest point of the region. The southern part of the region consists of the Hanáky and lowland. The lowest point of the region is situated on the water level of the Moravia River near to Kojetin in the Přerov district. The Moravia River flows through the region and the majority of the region's territory belongs to Moravia's drainage basin. A small northern part of the region belongs to the drainage basin of Odra River, which flows to the Baltic Sea. The Olomouc region offers a great variety of natural points of interest. Protected landscape area of the Jeseníky Mountains offers a number of scenic places, such as with the largest Moravian peat bog reach and a 45 meters high Vysoké waterfall. Another scenic place is the Laue Strain water reservoir situated on the top of a hill. Protected landscape area Litovolské Pomoravie offers floodplain forests with many endangered kinds of plants and animals. Finally, many caves can be found in the region. Javoriko Caves, Mlada Caves and Zebrasova Aragonite Caves. Economy. A region's economy focuses on traditional agriculture, processing industry and services. Conditions for further development of the region are its suitable position, transport accessibility, developed infrastructure, enough qualified labor force and entry of foreign investors. In 2011, the total economically active population of the Olomouc region was 307.2 thousand people, of which 283.9 thousand were employed and 23.3 thousand unemployed. The unemployment rate in late 2013 was 9%. The Olomouc region is an industrial area with developed services. The economy of the Hanáky districts is more stable and diverse than the economy of the Jeseník district and northern part of the Šumperk district. The latter two districts belong to economically weaker regions due to the position, transport accessibility and disturbance of social and economic life after the Second World War. The gross domestic product of the Olomouc region amounted to 4.7% of the nation GDP in 2011. The GDP per capita of the region reaches 76.5% of the national average. The average monthly wage of employees in businesses based in the region reached 21,727 Czech korunas in late 2013. Significant sectors of the region's economy are agriculture, food industry, textile and clothing industry, manufacture of machinery, optics and optical equipment. In 2011, there were 138,970 businesses, organizations and entrepreneurs based in the region. Most of them were private entrepreneurs registered according to the trade law and business companies. 157 industrial enterprises had 100 or more employees, employing in total 41,222 employees. Agriculture. The share of arable land was 39.4% in 2011 but was showing a decreasing trend over past years, while the share of non-agricultural land has been increasing and reached 46.9% in 2011. Southern and central parts of the region belong to areas with the most fertile land. Crop yields reach the highest amounts of the entire country. Transport accessibility of the region is provided by 3,582 kilometers of roads, of which only 12.3% are first-class roads. The motorways with 2 lanes connect Olomouc with Brno, Ostrava and the Pardubice region. Once finished, the D1 motorway will connect Brno with Ostrava and will cross the southern part of Olomouc region. There is 601 kilometers of railways in the region. Important rail junctions are in Olomouc and Přerov. The railway network is spread equally all over the region's territory. Road network is denser in the southern flat part of the region. Near to the city of Olomouc there is an airport for small airliners, which obtained status of an international airport. Tourism. The Olomouc region belongs to regions with the smallest number of accommodation establishments. In 2009 there were 338 collective accommodation establishments. These were placed primarily in the Jeseník District and the Šumperk District that are most visited by tourists. Quality of life. In 2011, 14,347 crimes were committed in the region, of which 6,744 were solved. Compared to other regions of the Czech Republic, the environment of Olomouc region can be marked as relatively less damaged. The values of specific emissions do not reach the average national values. Mountain areas and foothills have excellent air quality and are important sources of drinking water. Health care. In 2011 the region counted 9 hospitals, 16 specialized therapeutic institutions and other health establishments by 2,897 physicians and 6,466 paramedical workers. Health care is provided also in many spa establishments that are placed all over the region. Well-known spas are in Jeseník, Velké Luzany, Teplice nad Bekvou, Slatinus, Skalka, etc. Education. In 2011, the network of school establishments consists of 367 nursery schools, 369 basic schools, 20 grammar schools, 81 programs vocational training and 8 higher schools. The second oldest university in the Czech Republic, the Palacký University, is situated in Olomouc. It is attended by over 23,000 students. Places of interest.
Buzov Castle, Anikian region with its folkways, folklore shows and festivals that are organized in Náměst, Prostějov, Kojetin, etc. Helvston Castle, Janský Vrch Chateau, Náměst na Hané Chateau, Olomouc with a large urban conservation area preserving a large set of buildings that are important for the historical, architectonic or artistic value. Jeseník Castle, Svatý Kopeček with its well-known pilgrimage church of the Visitation of the Virgin Mary. Šumperk Castle, Tovarkov Chateau, USOV Chateau, Velké Luzany Chateau, historic paper factory, Spa. For winter sports many downhill courses and pists are prepared in the Jeseníky Mountains in areas of Červená Hoře Sedlo, Kouty nad Desnou, Petrikov, Ostrazna, Ramsova and many others. Photo gallery.